everybody. Today we're going to be folding an origami chick. This model is a simple model and it looks really cute when it's finished. So we're going to start folding your model in half, corner to corner. Unfold. Fold the bottom side edges of your model to the vertical center crease to form a kite shape. Now you're going to fold the top corner down, this bottom corner going to fold upwards towards hanging off the edge a little bit. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is fold your model in half, just like that, and take this beak and you're going to pull it downwards. When you do, the back is going to pop out a little bit and you just want to crease that really well. That's about where you want your chick's head to be, is just about there, to where it's just at the bottom or above that little corner. The next thing that you're going to do is take this corner, fold it down a little bit, unfold, open up your model, and push that inwards. Right about, and there you go. Your origami chick is complete. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs and tutorials for all kinds of cool origami models. And this model will be coming to my website very soon, so you might want to go check that out. I hope to see you in upcoming videos also, and on my website to enjoy some of these cool models. I'll see you in upcoming videos and on my website. Bye!